so now, coming off that.
Matty Tube.
Here's my gun and let's talk about it. Okay, and here's the gun, and it is Air Warriors Walter tank, I think, and side.
What is it?
Okay, so yeah. Here's the tub. It has a nice orange, and when you get it, I think it's like that, You guys can see, and it has like lots of like these little dents in it. It comes like that. That's how the gun is. And it's very easy to load when the clip is not inside. Like that, it's really easy. But when you put it, gun, it's like that. And when you put your finger in it, and then you pop it back, you can hear the you can feel the wind like coming through, or the air.
Ear.
Yeah. And it says AW for putting my hand. AW, and over here it's really like inside Busby toys right there. Look at there. I think you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can. And you actually can't pull back the trigger. It's really hard. You can't actually. It's not supposed to. Here's the stuff to make this stay onto here. So this thing goes into here. Really simple. It's not like you gotta click something. It's really simple. And here it is. If you push it, you have to be like really strong to push it. If you push it, these stuff move. Both of them do it. My left is hard. It comes with lots of bullets. 24 bullets right there. 24 bullets right there.
24 bullets right there.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, never mind. Okay, and actually, yeah, look. You actually can see the curve. It's not that big. Or is it? Not showcasing of the gun. Actually, no. So, if your thing is jammed, you open this. Now you can see if it's jammed. And then you can close it. Actually, when you close it, you hear that noise. When you close it, it makes like a little noise. It's harder if like you go here and close it. Yeah, the little thing, if you go like really, really light, you can push that part, but not this part. So it's got power. This thing right here cannot push in, but can push in. And these sides are good. And here's a place you can see it open. If you guys can see, you can see it open. You guys can see. And it's easy. And if you go on a trip like it's not time, you can like this and hold it right here. And it's really big. Long. Okay, now let me put it on and see how far I can get. This is how you put it on. So get this, put it in like that. Put this one on the other side. So it's like this where the bullets are facing out to the place where it shoots up. And then you have to push it in real good. Yeah, it's real hard. This is about it. Okay, let me do this side. So you push, then let go, and then now it's stable. And do this side, push, and then let go. Actually, you have to push down, guys. Now, let's shoot it. Okay, so I'm going to shoot here, then go more farther back. So, let's shoot it. Let's see if it can stick to the mirror. It can stick there. Now, let's scoot back to here, right here. Shoot, and then when you pull it, when you push it forwards, it will move it for you. And then, okay, it can go to the mirror. We're going to shoot to here now. Move it and shoot. It can stick to the left. Now let's do it even farther. Right here. It can stick to the mirror. Now let's go farther. Right here. It can stick to the mirror. Now let's go even farther. We're going to do down all the hallway. Okay, wait, let me do another. Okay, I can stick to the mirror now. Let's go right here. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.